Good day guys, and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to sew your senator wear. So here we'll be dealing mainly with the dressing or the after cutting process. So here we'll be cutting out the yoke to the back. If you've not watched the video on how to cut this senator, I posted it on this channel, so do well to do so. Watch the video on how to sew this and how to cut this. So right now we've cut out the yoke. From this end you have like 9 inches, and then you notch about 1 inch over there. Then make sure the notch is not deep, is not too deep, so it doesn't show out when you start sewing your clothes. So from that notch you created, you fold the clothes. Remember, it's by 1 inch. You fold the cloth, and then we'll go ahead to put hemming gum there. So we put hemming gum inside, and then sprinkle some water, and then we'll gum it together. Before we go ahead to gum it also at the back of the main back piece. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, I'll urge you to do so. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to view it and learn from it. So I also like you to hit the like button, like this video, so that it will help YouTube to push it more to more viewers, and also join our WhatsApp group, because there we actually teach you the things you need to learn as a fashion designer, how to be a better designer. So I'd like you to be part of the family. So this is how to arrange the hemming gum. Now we are gumming it to the main back of the clothes. I actually prefer to do most of my sewing on the table, which is by using the iron to arrange most of the things before I top stitch it with the sewing machine. By that method, you have a very neat and very clean sewing job at the end of the day. So now I've cut out the inner flap. This one is just a flower that will be a little bit smaller in length and half of the shoulder of the clothes. So the length, you remember the other one was 9 inch we cut, and we folded 1 inch. So for this one you cut about 6 inches. That's the depth, be about 6 inches. Then after folding you have like 5.5. So that's just it. You fold it all around by 1/2 inch, and then we'll glue it also to the back, the way we did to the back flap. So all these things are not really hard. You just take your time, do them gradually, and you see that you have a very neat work and neat sewing at the end of the day. So this is how you place it. Then we'll go ahead to put our hemming gum. I divide it by 2 because I don't want the gum to be thick here. So just divide it by 2, place them in here, and sprinkle some water, then you gum them together. So guys, once more I'll urge you to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video please. That's the only way you will thank me for all the efforts I'm putting in to make this content here to educate you and make you better. So this is the only way you tell me thank you, by liking and subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys. So the next thing we'll be doing is to hem the bottom of the native, the bottom of the senator wear. So here we are. Remember I told you we notched 3 inches after the cutting video. While we are cutting it, we gave out 3 inches after the length. So that 3 inch now is what we are going to fold like this, and then we fold ½ inch inwards. That will enable us to get ready for the sewing. This process is not constant. Some people prefer to fold it after they have sewn the senator wear and join the sides. So whichever method you prefer fits for you, you can use it. But me, I prefer to hem mine before I start the sewing process. So that is it. So right now we look for hemming gum, and then I'll be placing hemming gum inside the fold to give it a very strong and firm standing, so that it won't be looking anyhow. After you've hemmed it, it will be standing. So guys, that's the end of this video. This video is basically about the back, so we'll be posting another video on the remaining process of this particular senator wear. So stay tuned and make sure you watch all the videos in the playlist here. Thank you guys. See you in the next class.